Good morning everyone. Continuation of the last topic is electrocyclic reactions. Based on number of pi electrons participated in cyclic transition state, electrocyclic reactions are classified into two types. They are 4n pi electrons and the second one is 4n plus 2 pi electrons. In the case of 4n pi electrons, the molecule with even number of pi bonds, example 1,3-butadiene has 2 pi bonds, 1, 2 pi bonds. But in the case of 4n plus 2 pi electrons, the molecule with odd number of pi bonds, for example 1,3,5 hexatriene has 3 pi bonds, 1, 2, 3. 1,3-butadiene has 4n pi electrons, gives cyclobutane, and also 1,3,5 hexatriene having 4n plus 2 pi electrons, it gives cyclohexadiene. Another example for the 4n plus 2 electrons, cis-stilbene having 7 pi bonds. Now we are explaining the stereospecificity of electrocyclic reaction or stereochemical course of pericyclic reactions or stereospecificity. For example, we are taking 1,3-butadiene gives cyclobutane. At every carbon of butadiene, we have atomic orbitals. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the carbons. If we do the Kahn mode rotation, it develops a new bond or sigma bond develops between the termini of the 1,3-butadiene or initial and final carbons of the butadiene. Actually, C1, C4 atomic orbitals are existing in vertical to form a new bond or sigma bond between the 1 and 4 carbons or C1 and C4 carbons are initial and final carbons are termini carbons. These must be rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. If we do the clockwise rotation by the 90 degrees on the vertical atomic orbital, they form horizontal atomic orbital like this. If we do the anti-clockwise direction by the 90 degrees on the vertical orbital, they form horizontal orbital like this. If both the termini are clock or both the termini anti-clockwise direction, they form Kahn electrocyclization or Kahn mode of electrocyclization. So in this compound, at both the termini, means C1 and C4, we are rotating these carbons by 90 degrees in clockwise direction, so that Kahn mode of rotation takes place at the termini of the carbon. But in this compound, at the termini of the 1,3-butadiene or C1, C4 carbons, C1 carbon is rotating by 90 degrees in clockwise direction, C4 carbon rotating by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. This is called dis mode of rotation. It is also develops a new bond or sigma bond between the C1 and C4 carbons or between the both termini of the compound. Opposite direction of rotation at termini of pi bonds, such type is named as dis mode of electrocyclization. Not only for electrocyclization, even for ring opening also we have to rotate orbitals. Now we can explain electrocyclization reactions by Kahn mode rotation and dis mode rotations. For electrocyclization ring reactions, for ring closure or opening, rotation at termini by 90 degrees are required. If both orbitals at termini in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction is called Kahn mode of electrocyclization. If at a termini one is clockwise direction and another is anti-clockwise direction, this mode is called this mode of electrocyclization reaction. At both termini, same direction of rotations are called Kahn mode of electrocyclation. At both termini, opposite direction of rotation, that is, at one termini is clockwise direction and other termini anti-clockwise direction is called this mode of electrocyclization. For example, Kahn rotation, both termini are clockwise direction, both termini are anti-clockwise direction for the Kahn rotation, but for the disk rotation, one termini is clockwise direction and another termini is anti-clockwise direction. Like this, we have 4 kinds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction, anti-clockwise direction, clockwise direction. So, in both termini, we have opposite direction. It is said to be this mode. But if they have same direction like clockwise or anti-clock, it is said to be Kahn mode of rotation. For example, the pi bond between two vertical orbitals. If we do the Kahn rotation in clockwise direction, there develops a bond between these horizontal orbitals. If we do the Kahn rotation like anti-clockwise direction, a new bond will be formed between the pi bonds. And at the same time, in this mode rotation, at one termini clockwise direction and another termini anti-clockwise direction, there also a new bond will be formed in this mode of electrocyclization ring. It is one kind. Another kind of the disk mode rotation, at termini anti-clockwise direction, another termini clockwise direction. It is also said to be this mode of electrocyclization reaction. In this also a new bond will be formed between the pi bonds. This rotation is said to be disk rotation. And the stereochemistry or the stereochemical aspects of these compounds explained by the following features. If the pi bonds having same substituents, there is no spherical aspects. If different substituents are present at the termini of the pi compounds, there are some spherical aspects like this. And the next point for the electrocyclization ring, at the termini of unsaturation of proper substituents are present, electrocyclic reactions will have stereospecificity or stereoselectivity. This compound have proper substituents at the termini of the carbons, but this carbon does not having proper substituents. Now we are explaining the Kahn rotation and the disk rotation. HA substituents present on the termini of the carbons. If we do the Kahn rotation by 90 degrees in clockwise direction, it gives trans isomer. And the same compound by doing Kahn rotation in anti-clockwise direction, it gives trans isomer. In these two cases, we are explaining only one compound, that is same compound, same rotation, but different is clockwise and anti-clockwise. They give same products as trans isomer. So these two isomers are enantiomers. But the same compound for this dis rotation means at one termini clockwise direction, at another termini anti-clockwise direction by 90 degrees of this rotation, it gives a meso compound. Means if we cut this compound, they have two similar compounds or two identical compounds are also named as homomers. And second case for the disrotation, this termini clockwise direction. In the second case, this termini in anti-clockwise direction, in this compound anti-clockwise direction, but in this compound this termini clockwise direction. It is also said to be disrotation. This compound also results meso compound or cis compound. We can break these compounds into two equal halves. From the above explanation, we can say that con and dis mode of electrocyclization reactions produces opposite stereochemical products. For example, if we do the con rotation, it produces trans product, but dis rotation produces cis product, vice versa. At a termini, if selected groups in opposite direction in con mode, resulting products also possible. If groups in opposite direction in dis mode of rotation, resulting products are same side. And the next point is, if selected groups in same direction in con mode rotation, the resulting products are in same side. And the last point is, if selected groups in same direction in dis mode of rotation, the resulting products in opposite direction. So we have one example to explain the con rotation and the dis rotation. So this is the stereochemical aspect of the electrocyclization ring. So we have for the electrocyclization ring two modes, con mode and dis mode. For the same compound we have two different products. So this is the stereochemical aspect or stereospecificity of the electrocyclization ring. So we have same compound, one compound. By doing the con rotation, it gives meso compound. If we do the dis mode of rotation, it gives trans compound. So where con and dis never produces same stereochemical products. So it is the stereospecificity of the electrocyclic reactions. Thank you.